Cooking octopus can either be a terrifying venture or a deeply rewarding experience. Let's be real. At first glance, it's like cooking an alien. Those tentacles? Intimidating. But trust me, it's surprisingly simple if you follow some key steps. The first hurdle is getting your hands on fresh or frozen octopus. Fresh is obviously ideal, but frozen works surprisingly well. Freezing helps tenderize the muscle fibers. So if the only octopus you find is frozen, you just stumbled across a secret pro tip. Tenderness is the single biggest challenge when cooking octopus. No one wants chewy, rubbery tentacles. That's where low and slow comes in. Simmering your octopus for an hour or more transforms it into a tender delicacy that's almost buttery. Start by cleaning the octopus if it hasn't been prepped. You'll need to remove the beak and rinse it thoroughly. Sounds a little gross, and it kind of is, but trust me, it's not nearly as hard as people make it out to be. Once cleaned, the simplest way to tenderize octopus is boiling it. The old myth about putting a wine cork in the water? Yeah, completely unnecessary. Just simmer gently with some salt, a bay leaf, and maybe a splash of vinegar. Here's the thing, they tell you to cook it for about an hour, but the real secret is probing with a knife or fork after 45 minutes. If it goes in with no resistance, you're golden. Overcooking will make it fall apart, which you definitely don't want. After boiling, you've got options. Do you want a smoky char? Throw it on the grill for a few minutes. Crispy edges? Sear it in a hot pan with olive oil. Either way, balance is key. Smoky and tender is perfection. Now for seasoning. Mediterranean vibes go well. Think garlic, lemon, parsley, olive oil. Keep it simple and let the natural flavor shine. Too many spices and you'll lose what makes octopus taste special. Less is always more here. If you're feeling ambitious, try marinating after boiling. A quick soak in olive oil, garlic, lemon, and paprika gives the octopus a deeper flavor. An hour in the marinade goes a long way toward wowing people at dinner. Want to serve it cold? Octopus salad is such an underrated dish. Just toss the tentacles with boiled potatoes, red onion, parsley, and lemon juice. Fancy enough for a dinner party, simple enough for a weeknight. The biggest rookie mistake? Not patting it dry before grilling or searing. Wet octopus, no crust and zero flavor depth, so hit it with a paper towel. It's a tiny step that makes an enormous difference. Here's my favorite takeaway about cooking octopus. It looks complicated, but it's really forgiving. You get this huge window of tenderness before it turns to mush. By the end, you turn those creepy tentacles into a showstopper meal. It's worth it every time.